Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, you are gonna learn how you can make more than $2,000 every single month doing affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna show you some of the products which can be very high selling in this particular time. Okay, in this particular time most of the people are there in their houses, okay, because of a certain situation, and due to that they aren't going on their work, and due to that they have some less money, due to which they aren't able to afford expensive products. But still, I'm gonna show you some of the really good products of affiliate marketing which are really at a very low price, and most of the people would be interested in these products as these products are related to food. Okay, and most of the people who are at their home are interested in cooking new foods and trying out new foods every single day, and due to this there is a high chance that you can sell this product in this particular times. Okay, so now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, and I'm gonna show you 3 strategies to promote this awesome products and make a lot of money out of it. Okay, one is going to be paid strategy and the another 2 are going to be free strategies. Okay, so now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. Okay, so let's start with the paid one. So for the paid one, you need to go to this type of Instagram page. Okay, so we are going to promote the products which are just over here. Just go to Digistore24. Okay, this is an affiliate network, and just join this affiliate network. They accept people from all over worldwide. Okay, and then you can start promoting the products of this network. There is almost no approval process, so you can really get into this network without any hassle. So don't worry about that, just go. And the best product, which is this one, okay, the essential keto ebook. Okay, now you just have to give away this product. Okay, and what the customer pay is just for shipping. Okay, and they will pay you so $4.79 just for giving away this keto ebook absolutely for free. What people are paying is just for shipping. Okay, so that's it, and that's how they are making money. And once you give away this ebook, they will be paying you $4.79 just for giving away this ebook absolutely for free. And the best thing is that it has a really good conversion rate of 12%. That means this ebook is really selling very fast, and that's the reason why you need to promote this product from Digistore. And this is really a very low price product. The price of the product is only $10.55. Okay, and that's also just shipping charge and not the price of the product itself. So don't worry about it, it costs really less. Okay, and you are gonna make $4.79 per free giveaway. Okay, so that's the best thing, because most of the people are willing to take this type of products as they are at their home, and they are willing to cook some good food at their home. Okay, so now just grab the affiliate link of this product, Control A, Control C, and we are ready to promote this product. Now the first paid strategy to promote this product is using Instagram. Just find out this type of pages on Instagram. Okay, for example, this is Quick Keto Meals, as well as many other pages which you can find. Okay, just find the pages which have 200k or less followers. Okay, don't go for pages which are higher than this, because they may charge you more money. Now you just have to write a message to this type of pages that you want a shout out on their pages. Okay, just write down and they will send you the price. Okay, so a page of this size which has almost 200,000 followers may charge you $30 to $40 for a shout out. Okay, and just ask them to promote this product. Okay, ask them for an Instagram story, give them your affiliate link, and tell them that create a story on this product for 24 hours. Okay, and they would charge you some money, that is almost $20 to $40. Just pay them the money, and the rest of thing will be done by them. And you can just watch out, this channel has almost 207,000 followers. That means that story is going to be viewed by almost 10,000 people. Okay, now let's consider out of that 10,000 people, 100 people are going to take that product. Most of the people are willing to buy this product because it's a free giveaway. Okay, all they need to pay is for shipping charges. Okay, and that's the reason why you will get a very high conversion rate on this product and you can start making a lot of money, because you can just piggy bank on this 200k 207,000 followers of this particular page, or thousands of pages just like this are there on Instagram. Or even if you find a page which has just 50k followers, they can just provide you a shout out in just $10. Okay, so just find small pages and get shout outs for as cheap as possible. Okay, as you start making more money, just go for the larger pages. Okay, that's the trick, that's what works. Okay, and just try and invest $10, and that's not a big amount of money, and you can make a lot of money with this, because if you invest $10 in a story and you just make 2 to 5 sales, then also you are going to be in profit. And that's the thing which is the best thing about this product. Okay, and that's the reason why I am telling you to promote this product in this time, because most of the people are at their home, they are not going to the work. Due to that, they are not having much money and they won't purchase expensive products, but this type of cheap products will be fine and they would be willing to purchase this type of products. So don't worry about that stuff. Okay, and it has really good 12% of conversion rate, and that's one of the best thing. Now the second strategy with which you can promote this type of product is by Facebook groups. So you can find a lot of Facebook groups just like this. Now just recently I created, okay, so you can see this type of Facebook groups. Okay, so you can see that here. So you can just see over here that if you are interested in a keto ebook, then comment below. Okay, so I have just made this post. Okay, by there's some mistake in my book, and okay, there's a spelling mistake, and that's the reason why this person has commented that you can't spell a comment, why would I trust you? But don't worry, those who are interested in, and this type of post gets a lot of engagement, and that's the reason why you can promote a lot of things. Because you can see this is my post just made 4 minutes ago, and you can see there is an engagement on this post. Okay, so you just make a post just like this in this type of groups, just join this type of groups, there are so many of them. Okay, so just make post in this type of groups. That is, if you are interested in the keto ebook, then comment below. Okay, so this guy has commented below. Okay, it's for the mistake, but you can see that this page has a lot of engagement. Okay, so you can find this type of lots and lots of group on Facebook. Just join them and make this type of post. Okay, and then people will comment down below. Those who are interested people will comment down below on here, okay, on Facebook. And when they comment by down below, all you need to do is go to your Digistore, grab your affiliate link and provide them with that affiliate link. Okay, and when they go to that affiliate link and just get that free giveaway of your ebook and pay for the shipping, you are gonna make a commission. And that's how this method works, and this method works awesome, because these groups are really very engaging. Okay, I just made this post 4 minutes ago, and you can see there is one comment over here. So just remember that, just make this type of post in 3 to 4 groups, and just don't make a spelling mistake which I have made. Okay, just don't do that by mistake, which this is done by me. But don't do that type of mistakes, and just post this type of original simple post on this type of groups. Those people who are interested in this type of things will comment below, and when they comment below, just send them the link. Okay, and if they are interested, they will go and buy the product, and once they buy the product, you get a commission. And due to the fact this product is really very low priced, most people will be willing to get this product, to buy this product. Okay, so don't worry about that, and you are gonna get a lot of conversions, because you are promoting this product absolutely for free on Facebook. Okay, and the third strategy, which is going to be really long-term strategy, and this can make you a lot more money than this silly methods, and that is going to be YouTube. Okay, so you can see there is this video in which they just have some images of keto foods, and they have created this type of simple 6-minute video. Okay, there is a voiceover on this video. I cannot play this video because I may get a copyright strike, but all they are doing is that they are just getting some of the images of this keto diets or keto foods in this video, and what they are doing is that they are just having a little bit of voiceover on this video. Now I'm gonna show you a software in which you don't even need to just do anything. You don't need to provide any voiceover. All you need to do is just import a simple small article. Okay, just like this video states that ketogenic diet plan. Okay, so or you can see this one, top 10 keto foods. Okay, so just make a list of top 10 keto foods and just that's it. Just you made the list, make it into a small article, and all you need to do is go to this software. Okay, this is a Content Samurai alternative. Okay, this software is really great because this software converts your articles into videos. Okay, and this software only costs $10 every single month. Only $10. Okay, so that's really awesome. So you can see there are 1 million premium photos as well as videos. Okay, so you can use this in there. Okay, so and you can see premium templates unlimited HD video. This means you can make 60 videos. Yeah, 60 videos just for $10 every single month, and 15-minute videos you can make with this software. They also have you don't need to provide any voiceover because they have automated text to speech, so don't worry about that. So that's the first thing, is that this is the best Content Samurai alternative because you just get all this awesome stuff, okay, that you can do really very easily, and you can start making money using this simple software, which is an alternative to Content Samurai, as Content Samurai is a bit expensive software and you can really very easily create this type of videos. All you need to do is go to YouTube and search for in-video tutorials, and you can find a lot of tutorials which will teach you how to use that particular software to make some great money. And that's the simplest thing which anyone can do and start making some real money online. Okay, so if you are interested in more methods just like this related to make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, then just press the like button under this video as well as the subscribe button which will appear next to it, and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome strategies related to make money online. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And also check out our Instagram page, link is in the description.